to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin is a tutorial video. I know for sure na miss nyo yung mga tutorial videos ko kasi it's been a while, like ilang months na talaga yung nakalipas. So ito yung, I think, first tutorial na gagawin ko for the month of December kasi last vlog ko for tutorial, I think, July. Hindi ko na guys na remember. So, for today's video is sobrang ganda ng video na to guys and I know for sure na makakatulong to sa inyo. Mostly sa atin is gumagamit tayo ng Gcash, di ba? So, yung Gcash is ginagamit natin siya pang load, ginagamit natin siya for money transfer, pay bills, so marami pang iba na pwede natin gamitin sa Gcash. And ngayon guys, is may linabas si Gcash na bagong feature sa kanila, which is si Gloan. Yes guys, si Gloan. So si Gloan guys is pwede kang makaloan kay Gcash. Di ba before is hindi natin yan pwedeng gawin, but ngayon is meron na silang feature for Gloan, which is pwede kang makapag-loan up to 50,000. So, depende siya guys sa qualification nyo. Merong iba na hindi qualified, meron ding iba na qualified for this. So, right now guys, if napapanood itong video na to, please check your account sa Gcash if meron na kayong Gloan. If wala pa, please update. And then, for si Gloan din guys is yung minimum na pwede nyong ma-loan is 5,000. And then, for maximum is depende kung magkano yung qualified kayo. So, hindi ko na din patatagalin guys. I know excited na kayo. Kasi, for this video is step by step ko kung paano tayo or paano mag-process for Gloan. So, let's hop into the video guys para at least mapakita ko na sa inyo ang pagpaprocess ng Gloan. So, let's go! So, hi guys! Andito na tayo sa account natin sa Gcash. So, para tayo makapag-loan is kailangan natin i-click tong View All Gcash Services and then scroll down. As you can see, meron ditong financial services. So, tatlo sila, G-Invest, Gloan, and G-Save. So, first is, ang itatakong natin today is only Gloan. Yung G-Gives and G-Invest is sa susunod na mga videos na natin. So, dito muna tayo sa Gloan. So, click lang natin tong Gloan. So, nakalagay na dito guys na you can borrow up to 25,000 and yung loan details is pwede siyang bayaran for 9 months or 12 months. So, depende siya sa months na pipiliin nyo. Yung interest rate naman guys is $2.89. $2.89% yung average na interest and yung processing fee guys is 3%. So, let's say 5,000, 3% is mga 150. So, ima-minus siya guys kasi processing fee siya. Then, nakalagay dito, we've got you covered, pre-approved loan, instant loan, safe, and secure. So, pag okay na yan lahat guys, you just need to click get started. So, yan. Dito naman sa loan amount details, guys, dito mo makikita yung details kung magkano yung ibaborrow mo. So, nakalagay dito minimum is 5,000, maximum is 25. So, if gusto mo like 10,000, so yan, 10,000 for 9 months. 5,000 to 15,000, 9 months. 16,000 to 25,000, that's for 12 months, guys. So, yan, depende yan sa inyo kung magkano yung ibaborrow nyo. So, let's say tayo is 5,000 lang muna for 9 months. Then, nakalagay din dito guys yung purpose ng loan. So, ano ba yung purpose ng loan mo? So, meron kang pagpipilian dito guys. Meron ditong business expense, debit consolidation, emergency, medical, educational, travel, special occasion, general expenses and others, and pay bill. So, let's say yung plan natin is special occasion. Yan. So, yung summary is nakalagay dito. Yung loan amount mo is 5,000. Processing fee is 3%, which is 150. So, yung processing fee, guys, is madideduct siya sa loan amount mo. So, yung amount na lang na ma-receive mo is 4,850. And then, nakalagay dito yung interest rate is 2.89%. Term is
9 months, and then monthly dues is 706. So kung times natin siya guys, 700.06 times 9 months, yung interest lang na maa-add sa yung interest guys na maa-add lang sa'yo is mga 1,300. So, hindi na siya masyadong malaki for 9 months. So, next is pag okay na to lahat sa'yo guys, okay na yung loan amount mo, then get this loan. So, yan. So, nakalagay dyan lahat guys kung yung information ng loan. So, yung marireceive mo is 4,850. Repayment, that is for 700.06 per month, and then yung principal amount is 5,000. Interest per month is 2.89. Processing fee is 3%, then duration sa month is 9 months, and then first payment due is December 30. So, if ever ngayon ka magpa-process, yung due mo is on December 30. So, pag okay na yan guys, you need to click continue. So, yan. Andito na yung mga personal information mo guys, yung name mo, date of birth, nationality, mobile number, yung email mo, yung address mo, yung source of funds, then nature of work. So, yan. Pag okay na yan, guys, wala na yung problem, you need to click next. And then, additional na information. So, i-ask yung nickname mo, yung sex, so female, civil status is single. Yan. So, i-fill out nyo lang to guys. Phone number. Yan, lagay nyo phone number nyo, landline optional, own is small business. So, if nag-own ka ng small business, you need to click yes. If wala, no. So, and then emergency contact. So, lagay nyo yung emergency contact nyo dito, yung parents nyo ba, yung kapatid nyo, or yung friend nyo, yung boyfriend nyo, yung husband nyo, or wife nyo. So, depende na kung sino yung personal contact na ilalagay nyo. Yan. So, ano yung relationship nyo sa emergency contact. So, pag okay na yan guys, na-fill out nyo na yung additional information, click next. So, yan. Andyan na yung lahat ng information nyo, yung general information and other person's details. So, dito sa ibaba guys, you need to click agree. And then, yan na guys yung data privacy agreement. So, basahin nyo lang yan lahat guys para at least may idea kayo. Para if ever man soon na may mga dispute kayo sa loan nyo, at least alam nyo and binasa nyo tong lahat. Kasi pag hindi nyo to binasa, is may tendency na may nakalagay pala dyan na ibang information at hindi nyo nabasa, tapos i-question nyo. So, at least meron kang idea guys, regarding sa mga data agreements na linagay dito ni Gcash. Pag okay na guys, click nyo lang tong back and then submit. So yan, nakalagay na amount to receive is 4,850 repayment. So yan yung babayaran nyo per month guys. So yung babayaran nyo per month is 706 per month. Then yung principal amount, yung interest per month, 2.89%. Yung processing fee na ima-minus nila, duration 9 months, and then first payment due is December 30, 2021. So yan, so nandito na lahat guys yung mga information, then meron ditong loan agreement. So I agree to disclose statement, then yan, so i-click nyo yan guys, yan na yung disclosure statement. Yan. So, basahin nyo yan guys para at least meron kayong idea. So, si Gcash and then partner sila with Fuse. Yan. Loan amount. How much na lang yung marireceive nyo. Yan. Yan. So, basahin nyo yan lahat guys. Yan. Nakalagay dito add-on interest rate, contractual interest rate. Yan. And then effective interest rate. So, nakalagay dito sa schedule of payment. Pwede kang mag-single payment, pwede ka din mag-total installment payment. So, kung single payment, guys, for the next month, babayaran mo kaagad yung loan mo. For total installment payment, guys, yan yung tag 700 per month. Then collateral, pwede unsecured na lang. Yan, meron ditong real estate, government security, then shuttles, then additional charges. If meron kang late payment, guys, yan, late payment, merong additional 100, okay? Just make sure na hindi ka mabayaran mo kaagad kasi pag may late payment, meron yung additional 100. Then, another agreement, yan, long-term and condition. So, yan. Basahin nyo yan lahat. Meron siyang application and verification process. Yan. Yan na. Yan lahat din. Personal information, loan durations, mga collateral, and all that stuff. Kailangan nyo yung basahin kasi pag hindi, ay, ewan ko lang. Like same doon na may late charge pala. So, kung hindi nyo alam, tapos na-exceed or nag-due na kayo, hindi nyo pa nabayaran, merong additional 100, o diba? Sobrang laki na nun. So, if ever okay na guys, you need to click continue. So, yan. So, you're about to receive the 4,850 using the Gloan. You need to click confirm para ma-confirm na siya guys and ma-debit na siya sa account mo sa Gcash. And then if gusto nyong gamitin like yung money talaga, you just need to transfer from Gcash to your bank para makuha mo yung money. So if i-click na natin to, confirm, yan, meron kang matatanggap na authentication code. So lagay natin yung authentication code natin. Then, if ever okay na guys, you need to click submit. So, naglo-loading na siya guys. So, loan successful, reference number. You will receive SMS on your email to confirm your transaction. Your loan amount will be sent to your Gcash account within 24 hours. So, yan, within 24 hours na guys, magre-reflect na siya sa account nyo and you just need to click okay. So, yan na guys. Wala pang 24 months. Andito na siya sa account ko. As you can see, meron akong na-add na 4,000 plus sa account ko. So, yan. Meron akong babayaran guys sa Gcash na 706 per month.
Yun na guys, yung step-by-step process kung paano makapag-Gloan. Follow all the instructions guys na sinabi ko doon sa video para hindi kayo magkamali. I hope guys na nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. And if maglo-loan naman kayo guys, please make sure na gamitin nyo din siya in a good way. So let's say if ngayong Pasko, gagamitin nyo din siya pang gift, or I suggest guys, mas gamitin nyo siya for business kasi utang siya guys na need nyo din siyang bayaran per month. So kung gagamitin nyo siya for business, like gawa ba kayo ng mag-online selling ba kayo, mga pang gift for Christmas, at least yung pera guys na linoon nyo kay Gloan is pwede nyo siyang marolling pang startup. Magandang tulong na din siya guys kasi I know ngayon is wala na talagang nagpapaloan sa atin kaagad-agad. So at least si Gloan, so long as qualified ka, then pwede kang makapag loan. And then, you will be paying per month din guys. So, meron din siyang interest. So, I highly suggest na gamitin nyo siya sa tama para for the next time is pwede pa din kayong makapag-loan kay Gloan. And there is a possibility na mas malaki na yung maloloan nyo kay Gloan. So, okay guys. So, if hindi kayo applicable sa Gloan, possible guys na hindi nyo pa talaga nagagamit si Gcash kasi usually sa mga pwede na makapag-Gloan is palagi nilang ginagamit yung Gcash nila. So, if ever ngayon guys, hindi ka pa eligible for Gloan, gamitin nyo lang si Gcash. Kailangan nyo lang gamitin siya para at least ma-approve kayo for Gloan. So, okay. So, I hope guys na nakatulong tong video na to. Questions, clarification, feel free to comment down below para at least masagot ko yung mga questions nyo. Don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated ka if may bago kong videos katulad nito. So, bye guys! See you on my next vlog!